Have you ever wondered what separates successful startups from the ones that fizzle out? What sets apart those visionary entrepreneurs who disrupt entire industries and leave a lasting impact? Well, my friends, today we dive into the captivating world of the lean startup and uncover the secrets that can turn your startup dreams into reality. So grab a seat, because this is a journey you don't want to miss. Meet Alex, a young and ambitious entrepreneur with a brilliant idea for a new tech startup. Full of passion and excitement, he dives headfirst into building his dream, pouring countless hours and resources into developing the perfect product. But as time passes, he realizes that despite his hard work, he's missing something crucial. Alex finds himself trapped in a cycle of building and refining, only to receive lukewarm responses from potential customers. Doubt creeps in, and he starts questioning the viability of his startup. But then, a chance encounter introduces him to a revolutionary approach: the Lean Startup methodology. Developed by Eric Ries, the Lean Startup offers a fresh perspective on entrepreneurship, focusing on creating a sustainable business by embracing the concept of validated learning. It's all about testing assumptions, iterating quickly, and adapting based on customer feedback. Inspired by this new methodology, Alex pivots his approach. Instead of spending months developing a full-fledged product, he decides to create a minimum viable product, MVP, a simplified version that allows him to gather real-world data and validate his assumptions. Armed with his MVP, Alex puts his idea out into the world, eagerly seeking feedback from his target audience. He listens intently, learning what resonates with customers and what needs improvement. This customer-centric approach allows him to refine his product and steer it in the right direction. But it's not just about building a great product. The Lean Startup emphasizes the importance of continuous experimentation and a culture of innovation. Alex learns the value of setting up small experiments, measuring results, and making data-driven decisions to drive his startup's growth. As time goes on, Alex's startup gains momentum. By applying the principles of the Lean Startup, he hones in on a product-market fit, refines his business model, and gains the confidence of investors. With a clear vision and a lean approach, his startup becomes a force to be reckoned with in the industry. The Lean Startup isn't just a methodology, it's a mindset. It challenges the traditional build it and they will come approach and replaces it with a data-driven, iterative process. It encourages entrepreneurs to adapt, pivot, and learn from failures as stepping stones to success. So, my fellow dreamers and builders, as we come to the end of our journey through the Lean Startup, let's reflect on the valuable lessons we've learned from Alex's story. Building a successful startup isn't about blindly following a predefined plan. It's about staying nimble, embracing uncertainty, and constantly learning and evolving. The Lean Startup reminds us that failure is not something to be feared, but rather an opportunity for growth and improvement. By embracing a mindset of experimentation and embracing the iterative process, we can discover what works and what doesn't in our startup journey. The Lean Startup also emphasizes the importance of staying connected with customers throughout the entire process. By truly understanding their needs, desires, and pain points, we can create products and solutions that truly resonate with them. It's all about building strong customer relationships and delivering value. Now you might be thinking, but how does all of this apply to my own startup or business? Well, the principles of the Lean Startup are universal. Whether you're launching a tech startup or running a small local business, the concepts of validated learning, iterative development, and customer centricity can be applied to drive growth and success. Imagine the possibilities if you were to adopt a Lean Startup approach in your own ventures. The power to pivot when necessary, the ability to quickly adapt to changing market conditions, and the confidence to make data-driven decisions that fuel progress. So, my friends, as we conclude our exploration of the Lean Startup, I encourage you to reflect on Alex's journey and the transformative power of this methodology. Embrace the mindset of experimentation, listen to your customers, and never stop learning and evolving. With the Lean Startup principles by your side, you have the potential to create something truly remarkable. With that said, thanks for joining us on this incredible journey through the Lean Startup. I hope you found inspiration and insights that will fuel your own entrepreneurial endeavors. Remember, it's never too late to embrace a Lean Startup mindset and start building your path to success. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep experimenting, and keep growing.